Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another first impressions video. Today we are reviewing a product that I wanted to try for really long time. I'm super excited. I've been following Allana, she's here on YouTube for a really long time, and when she came up with this shade in collaboration with Nudesticks, I got really excited because myself is also a huge orange shade fan. A couple months ago I did a review on one bronzer shade and also on one blush shade. The blush shade was called Sunset Strip, and I am using them till now and I'm loving them. But today we're trying this really bold and cool shade. This is the matte series of the blushes because they have more of a dewy finish blushes. This one is matte as well, but it's supposed to be really long lasting, which is great. It came in these really cute boxes, and you have the mirror inside on this side of the box, which is awesome. Here in my skin I have my foundation on. I have a little bit of bronzer, cream bronzer, and basically nothing else, and I'm excited to try it. Oh, it's so pretty! Look at that color! Yeah, this is my kind of shade for sure. No scent, as always. But this shade, I mean, it's really bold, bright orange red. Okay, in her last video, Allana's video, she put it like using her fingers and tapping the product on the cheeks. I'll try like this technique on this side, and then I'll try it with a brush. Good. Oh, it feels really creamy. Okay, I need to adjust the camera so you can see better. Okay, I'm so excited. Okay. It's showing off. Let's go for more. Just go for it. This color can be really intimidating, but so stunning. Okay. Can you see it? I'm adjusting the camera so you can see the true shade on me. I'll go like this. Okay, this looks really pretty. What do we think? Let's put on some more. See? It's straight up orange. A bit on the bridge of the nose. Should I go for more? Okay. Let's go on this side directly. Like us. You can see it on the cheeks. This is the right. I'll use the MAC 188 stippling brush to blend it out. Okay. What do we think? Like with the brush picked up a little bit of the product. As on the other side we have the tapping situation. Let's apply some more. Just go for it. Tap, tap, tap. Okay, I'll go a little bit on the lids as well. Let's put some more lids. Love. Now it's March. We have some time till summer, but it's supposed to look amazing on more tanned skin, so I'm looking forward for summer and when I'm more tanned, so I can really see how it looks like on more tanned skin. Now my my skin is really pale, as you can see, but hey, this looks pretty cool. Yeah. Should I go for more? I think I want to go and apply some on the lips. I have some lip balm. Go and apply some. Ooh. It's really pigmented. Just a touch of color. Yeah. Well, I think it looks really cool. I'm super biased because I love orange in general. This is my favorite shade for clothing and stuff like clothing, shoes, bags, makeup, so I'm really biased. But let me know in the comments, what do you think? How do you think how do you like it? Like, what do you think? Let's apply some more on the lids. Some eyeshadow. Honestly, I think it looks great. But just let me know in the comments, what do you think? Does it look? Is it funny looking, kind of clowny, or is it summery, bronzy, pretty? Let me know in the comments, what do you think. Also, let me know if you also have tried this blush and what do you think about it. And Allana, if you're watching this, so far I'm loving it. Great job on this product. It would be awesome if you could create also not only the matte version, but also go for the more shimmery, the other formula, which is more creamier and more shiny and more highlighty. That will be really cool, I think. Just letting you know and giving you a feedback, but so far I think I like it. I think if I add some more bronzer also on the forehead, because now it's a little bit pale, it will look great. But yeah, this is the product. Okay, now come closer or zoom in. That's that. Let me know in the comments what do you think about it. Also follow me on Instagram, it's Mariya Marinova, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!